So let's talk about direction. So talking about direction, it should and it must be in the bigger time frame. So it needs to be around daily or weekly and or monthly.
Oh,
But in my method or my
mm,
technical analysis, I'm not using monthly at all. Okay, I'm not using
okay.
at all. The biggest time frame that I'm looking at is weekly. So um wait. Okay. So direction.
Mhm.
So what is actually direction? Direction is the biggest, a bigger picture of the market itself. So it means
Mhm.
if we are talking about the US dollar, so we know what is the bigger picture of the market. So let's say,
Okay.
so bigger picture of the market, okay, refers to a candlestick on a bigger time frame, which is weekly and daily. So the time frame
Oh,
that we are going to look at is just weekly and daily,
mhm.
weekly and daily. So
Okay.
the movement is still the same, which is buy to sell and sell to buy.
Mhm.
All right. So the there is no SOP, there is no SOP for direction, but
Mhm.
there is few things that we need to know on direction, which is what to do with daily and what to do with monthly and what to do with weekly, sorry. So
Okay.
there are two things that we are going to learn in direction, which is
Mm,
direction and exit. That's the first one. And the second one is the confirmation direction. Okay. So there's two things that we're going to learn today. So what is direction and exit? So the time frame of direction and exit, we are going to look deeply into weekly. So the only time frame that we are going to find the direction is just weekly. Okay, the only
okay.
time frame that we're going to look at the direction and the exit is just weekly. So
Okay.
confirmation direction will be on daily. Okay, the confirmation direction will be on daily. So which is,
Okay. This is only on daily.
yeah, the confirmation direction we are going to look at the daily.
Okay.
Okay, you understand it?
Yes, yes, understood. Okay. Direction and exit, we look only at weekly,
Yeah,
and confirmation that we only look on daily
yeah,
time
yeah,
frame.
exactly.
Okay.
So
Mhm.
um direction and exit. So let's go to the theory first. All right. So this is the sell zone and this is the buy zone. Okay. So weekly sell will drop to weekly buy. Weekly buy will go to the weekly sell. Weekly sell will go to the weekly buy. Weekly buy will go to the weekly sell, and the weekly sell gonna go to weekly buy. So this is
Mhm.
just a zone. Weekly, we are going to do is all the thing that we are need to do. We are going to do in weekly is just a zone. Okay. So when it
Okay.
comes to um the question that people there are some questions that my student gonna ask me, how do we identify that is this zone is going to prospect and how to identify if this zone is not going to prospect, because sometimes the weekly buy is going to break just like that. Okay, so
Correct.
whatever happened we need to look at the CMP. Okay,
Mhm.
whatever happened we need to look at the CMP. Okay,
Mhm.
okay, wait. All right, so right now we are going to look deeply in here, in here, and in here, and in here. Okay, so
Mhm.
what are we going to look at the CMP is we are going to look for the confirmation of the direction itself. So
Okay.
what does it mean by confirmation direction? So confirmation direction, it's just a simple thing, which is we need to find a same engulfing
Mhm.
or same engulfing field. Okay,
Okay.
So
On
which
daily
is,
time.
yeah, on daily time frame. So which is
Okay.
engulfing, it means that the price is going to respect the zone.
Mhm.
And EF is the price is going to reverse till the opposite zone. All right, that's all. Okay, so
Okay.
wait, oh shit. Okay, so this is the direction. So let's see into the chart. Okay, let's see into the chart, because if I explain here, it's not going to be like that
Yeah, we
understandable.
also had few terms.
Okay, so right now, wait. As you can see here, there is a engulfing buy of weekly,
Yeah.
and the exit will be engulfing sell or engulfing fill to sell on weekly.
Mhm.
So right now, when the price get into the zone, the main thing that we are going to look for is the CMP creating something for buy. Okay, creating something for buy. And if you can see the price get into the zone and the price create an ED buy, isn't it? An ED buy.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's an ED buy, right? And at the same time, the price create an EF.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, when the price create an EF, we already know that the price is going to go up until the next zone, isn't it?
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay,
So this is where I had some confusion as well.
sorry.
So I had like when I was going to chart and back testing, no, I had a few confusion similar to this one. So this is where like this is like basically trade control on daily time frame, correct?
Trade control on the daily. Yeah.
Yeah, it is
Exactly.
similar to like that one.
Yeah.
But so can we consider this one also, this zone also to be valid, or do we wait for this one?
Okay, it's like this. Daily time, weekly and daily will be just a zone. What are we going to do inside it is we are going to play with H4,
Okay.
which is, okay, at first, the sign to reverse was created right here, okay? The sign of reversal, which is this price already closed as an EF on daily, isn't it?
Mhm.
All right.
Okay, yeah.
So then when they pull back, we need to wait. It's either this zone of EF, or we just need to wait for the zone to be respected. Okay. Or this zone, there are a lot of zone, or this
Yeah.
zone, but the price respected this zone, isn't it?
Okay, so okay. Oh, this one we basically refine it to 4 hours, is it?
Yeah. We whatever happened, we need to focus on the setup.
Okay.
But direction is
Uh-huh.
just like we just something to know, something that we need to know when the price is going up. Which direction is the price? Which direction the price is going?
Mhm.
So right now, what do we need to focus is we need to focus on buy.
Mhm.
We need to focus on buy, which is this is a look for buy and keep looking for buy, keep looking for buy, keep looking for buy. And right here is also we are going to look for buy, because why? Yeah, there is
This is for
an
4 hours.
ED sell. This is for
Yeah.
retracement. Okay,
Uh-huh.
this is for retracement. And then, but if we look at the daily time frame, there is no engulfing sell.
Mhm.
So
Oh, okay.
can you see it?
So like until we see engulfing sell on the daily time frame, we keep
Yes,
looking for buys.
yes.
Okay.
Look at this zone. Okay, look at this zone. Okay, this is an engulfing sell, isn't it? Okay, engulfing sell on weekly. Okay,
Weekly, yeah.
okay,
Mhm.
engulfing sell on weekly. So we go to daily, and it's still going up, and then it creates a engulfing sell, an engulfing sell,
Yeah.
isn't it? But
Yes.
why the price is not respecting the sell to go down? Number one is because the first thing first is because there is no EF at all. That's the first thing. And the second thing is the price was already get into the buy zone of weekly. This is at weekly EF, right?
Yeah, correct.
And then it creates an engulfing buy. So
Okay.
if this engulfing buy was broken, yeah, we know where the price is going. It's gonna go down, and then it needs to create an EG buy before it going up.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
you see it because of this one.
Yes.
Because of this one,
Okay.
clearly. So it's, yeah, this is all about direction, but the direction is for you to hold the trades. That's all, for you to hold the trades. For you to hold the trade. If you enter
Okay.
here, is it, can I go long for this one? Yeah, you can go long until this zone. If you sell here, you need to know this sell is just for retracement. If you want to buy here, yeah, this is a good buy because this is the price that follow the direction. See it? And then what you need to do right here is just you need to focus on buy. How?
By
By looking at the
by 30
M30.
minutes trade control.
Yeah, go to the trade control and so on. Like, look at this one. Oh, okay, I cannot get any entry here. Who says that? Okay, this is the first entry.
First entry.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay, see it.
Hmm.
So that's the thing. Okay, so that's the thing. So the price went up for about 500 pips. Because why? Because we are following the direction.
Yeah.
As you can see, yeah, go down for just 250 pips and 400 pips of buying 500. Yeah.
Yeah.
And look at the sell. Look at the sell. Look at the sell. It's not that big comparing to this buy.
Yeah.
Because why? Because
one
we are following the direction.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. So this is
Uh-huh.
it. This is the movement of gold like last month, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, last month. But in this week, that last week, the gold went crazy.
Mhm.
The gold went
Yeah.
crazy. Luckily, you are not trading at this price.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to be.
So I got very confused. Like I marked there. Can I admit it?
Sorry.
Yeah. Can I mark?
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, when they started, I marked this zone. Then there was state control here. Then there was state control here. I did not know how to do. So that's why I wanted to go over a few trades.
Okay, so you wanna. Okay, so let's go here. This one.
Yeah.
Okay, this
So
engulfing
hold
cell.
on.
So this engulfing cell
Mhm.
for cell zone, and the targeted zone was around here. Let's say. Okay. So when the price get into the zone, okay, as you can see right here, there is, okay, first entry, of course, first entry,
Mhm.
first entry.
Oh, 1 second.
Uh-huh.
Can I not consider this one first?
Okay, let's go here first. Okay,
Yeah, here
okay,
also there was 1 second. Oh, sorry.
okay, wait.
Okay.
If you say so, wait. All right. Can you see the zone? Oh wait. This buy zone.
Yeah.
All right. So H4 buy zone. All right. Let's look at the CME. Okay, at first, the price get into the zone. Okay, the price get into the sell zone. The price get into the sell zone.
Yeah.
And then the price was here before, which
Mhm.
is
Yeah.
the first entry, right?
Yeah.
The first entry. But if you look at, okay, there is a confirmation right here, which is M15 EG sell, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Oh, lucky. Okay, M5.
Yeah, I think this one was perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, M5. beautifully given on M5. Around here, how to get the entry around here is by using the M1. But if you look at this one, yeah, it's an EF, right? M5 EF. So will you get the entry? Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
M5 low risk, M5 EF, low risk. Like I said, low risk confirmation entry with less floating. As you can see, the price pull back, boom. Supported by the with the news, right? So when the price go down, the price created this one, which is this one, an engulfing sell. Why the price is breaking this trade control? Because there is no confirmation entry. Because there is no confirmation entry. Did you see anything here to sell?
No.
No. So that's why the zone was broken. And then the price went up again. Okay, it went up again. It went up again to this zone, which is the first entry zone. I just mark it like this, okay?
Yeah, I can mark this one as also first entry zone, correct?
Yeah. Also.
Okay.
But this zone was already broken. So we are not going to use this zone for sell. We are going to use this
Correct.
zone
So once
instead.
this candle, so how do we determine break? A candle close above that zone, it is break, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, candle closing. Okay, fine.
Okay, and then the first entry. Okay, the first entry. This EF, okay, you just need to ignore it, okay, because it's in the sell zone. So we need to focus on sell. Okay, and then the price went down and then create a trade control. And then keep go down, it went down, and then create another trade control. Right. Go down and then create another trade control. Is there any trade control for buy here?
Buy, no, it is only like engulfing sale if we have to use this one. So, but that is also not valid because we are coming from sales.
So
So I have one more doubt. So this trade control is correct. This trade control I understand. Can I not consider this one also as trade control?
Also we can use this one.
So that is why I'm getting confused on like, oh, okay, which one, which trade controls I like to use?
You just mark the zone. Okay, at first you just mark the zone and you just watch the CMP. Where is the CMP going and which zone is the price going to respect by looking at the confirmation entry. I know there will be a confirmation entry right here,
correct.
But sometimes, like I say, based on my journal, which is I'm doing it for 4 months or 5 months of using confirmation entry and so on. If I use the high risk entry, I'm going to have like 60% of win. Okay, 60% of win. And if I'm using the low risk confirmation entry, I will have like 85% of win. So that means that there is no holy grail technique. So sometimes, we need to bear with the loss. Okay, but just floating for about 32 pips and then create another confirmation entry and then we can enter. Okay, so when the price go down and when the price went down and then get into this zone, okay, is there any trade control here?
Trade control
for buy?
For buy, no.
Yeah, there is no, right? So okay, at first in this buy zone, we are going to look at the first entry, right?
First entry is.
Yeah, the first entry. So do we get the first entry? Of course, right? Of course. But this is the main thing that we need to focus on, which is the trade control, M30EF. We buy here. I got to buy here on M1 for 70 pips, and then I continue to sell. Let's see. Okay. I buy on M1 here. Okay. I buy an M1 here. Then for 70 pips, I cut the profit. And then the price went up. At first, this thing was broken.
Mhm.
Okay, but the next thing that came up here was an M5EF. AM5EF, which means low risk confirmation entry. Look at, there is no float at all. Just go down for 80
Yeah.
pips like that, and little pullback and continue, go down for 200 pips.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's easy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what
Yeah.
was.
So I like to like understand, okay, which zones and all those things. Because like I was testing here, as soon as the trade came here, I saw a 15-minute engulfing, but then it popped up. Then I thought, oh, okay, this one, but there was no confirmation entry, and this one I missed. So that was I was looking.
I see. So now you understand this one, this
Yeah.
price.
Yes. And yeah, this price I understood. Yeah.
So okay, let me tell you. As you can see, the gold right now, it's doing sideways, right?
Yeah, correct.
It's doing sideways. Why doing sideways? Look at the weekly zone. Okay. At first, we have this engulfing sell for selling, and then we have this engulfing buy for buying. So that's why the price was sidewaying.
Mhm.
Okay, can you see it? Okay.
Yeah.
It's sideways because okay, at first in the sell zone, okay, in the sell zone, okay, in the sell zone, it creates engulfing cell for sell,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
And then get into the buy zone, create buy confirmation direction. And then we went up
Yeah.
again, break the sell, and then focusing on buy at this time, and then go down again and create a sell again. And then keep doing the same thing. Yeah. And then right now,
Yeah.
what the price needs to do is the price needs to break which zone that it needs to. And plus, okay, plus, and if you can see on H4, the zone is really, really, really close to each other. As you can see, okay, this is the sell zone. At first, this is the sell zone. Go down
Mhm.
until this buy zone.
Yeah. So this was one of the question. Like, how many times is the zone valid? Like until it breaks, or is it number
Until
of
it breaks,
times that
until it
we?
breaks, until it breaks.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, you can see sell zone to buy zone, buy zone, sell zone to buy. It keeps going like this because the zone
Yeah.
is really, really close to each other. And yeah, it keeps doing the same thing. Okay. This is an EG cell, and this is an this is an EG buy. Ah, the zone is too close to each other. That's why
Yeah.
last week, yeah, quite a bad week for me because I'm hitting the FL like 6 times if I'm not mistaken.
Mm.
Because of the zone is too close to each other. I can't do anything with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they went good for 40 pips, 30 pips, but yeah, and then went down again, took my BE, took my SL. I hate that.
Okay.
So we need to wait for the market to give
Mhm.
like a clear one.
Mhm. Mhm.
So that
Okay.
is so that's the thing. So yep. Uh like I said, what you need to do is you need just to focus on the trading plan.
Mhm.
Yep, and maybe I think you are going to complete your first trading plan in 3 months or 2 months, I think. If you are really, really, really be disciplined and focus on it. Because
Mhm.
it's kind of impossible. It's kind of impossible if you are using this technical analysis, my method, you are going to keep losing your money like without no TP at all.
Mhm.
It's kind of hard to do that. So
Mhm.
it's either you lost the money because you didn't follow your plan, or
Yeah.
you lost your money because you follow the plan but not follow it like the way that you should follow the plan.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. So like I said, wait for the clear one before
Mhm.
risking your capital. No matter
Mhm.
if your capital is $10 or $50, but you need to be really, really, really careful with your trade, with the trade that you took. Okay.
Yeah. So here also, this one also was engulfing stage. I was looking at this one. There was this confirmation, trade control and confirmation there as well. So yeah.
This zone,
Yeah.
this thing of things fail.
Yeah.
All right.
That is engulfing trade, correct?
Yeah. Is it?
So when it came here, I think there was a trade confirmation.
This one.
Yeah.
This one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here, first time, second
right.
time.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Here,
Yes.
here, this zone was not respected because there is no confirmation. There is no confirmation entry in it.
Mhm.
So you already understand about this,
Yeah. Yes. This one I understood. Yeah.
right? So is there any question?
No, can we go direction once again, like with different price action example?
Sure. Let's go to Ponyan
Okay.
weekly. Get the price. This is the sell zone. Ponyan is going high. All right. This is the buy zone. Okay. When the price
Okay.
get
And
into the
this
buy
is
zone,
also the buy zone. If
sorry.
you go to this one.
At first, the price was right here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine.
Yes. All right. So when the price get into the buy zone and the price created this engulfing buy, right?
Mhm. Yeah.
So what you need to do is you need to find your entry zone,
Oh.
which is can use if you can see this buy zone of H4.
Mhm.
Why we are not focusing on this sell? Because why we are not focusing on this sell? Because the direction is on buy. All right.
On buy. Yeah. Weekly. Yes.
Yeah, which is going to buy, and then just look for buy over and over again. Okay. And then if you look at the daily time frame, at first there is no
One second. Can you go to 4 hour and I think you mark two zones? Okay.
all right.
This one. Like, yeah. Oh, we take both the zones or we take only one zone, this recent one?
We take this zone for buying around here, and then we take this zone to buy around here.
Oh, okay, okay. Ah,
See it?
oh yeah, this is a very minor.
Yeah, a minor
Uh,
thing. Yeah.
yeah. Well, like very attention to detail. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Makes sense.
All right. So when the price get into the sell zone, there is no engulfing sell at first. It keeps pushing the price go up, and then it create this engulfing sell, isn't it?
Yeah,
But why it is not respecting this engulfing sell? Because
because there is anchor confusion.
yeah,
Yeah.
how the price how to make the price will go down until the next zone. The price need to create an EF
Yeah.
like this, breaking this zone, pull back, and then go to our buy zone. Okay,
Okay. Uh-huh.
so yeah, this is the direction. Okay, how direction is
Mhm.
working, and this EF. Okay, let's take a look. This EF, the price get into this EF, and then can you see this one? Engulfing buy.
Mhm.
That is why the
Yeah.
price of GBP JPY is flying up. Like okay, just look at the buy. Just look for buy, and buy. Okay.
Mhm.
So this sell zone is just for retracement of this price. Little price go down again. Let's see. See, this sell zone is just for this one. Just for this retrace, little bit of retracement, like this one. Go down. go down, and then create a new confirmation entry here, and then fly up all the way up.
Yes, yes. So I have a question here.
All right.
So, well, yeah, yeah. Can you keep it like this? Oh, can you zoom it a little bit?
Wait.
Yeah. So, price touched here, and then it made this trade control. This I know like this is buy zone, so we are not taking this trade control. But this
Exactly.
trade control is valid, correct?
Which one?
This one, the one that I marked there.
Yeah, it's valid. But we need to wait for
Okay.
confirmation entry.
Confirmation entry. Yeah, yeah, correct. We are coming from higher time frame buy zone, so we don't consider it. But
Yeah.
even after touching, yeah, my query was, so this is 4 hour zone, for example.
Mm-hmm.
We come here on 30 minutes. The
Mm-hmm.
trade control, we don't get it here. But
Mm-hmm.
after a while, we get trade control here. So we can
Oh,
still count this trade
yeah,
control.
yeah, yeah. We can still use the same zone as trade control, but we need to wait for the confirmation entry.
Confirmation entry. Yes,
Yes.
yes. Okay. So I was thinking, okay, only in the 4 hour zone, we'll have to get the trade control.
Uh-huh. No.
Yeah. Okay.
So that means like the story just seem like the one that I told you before, which is the continuous one and the retracement one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
No matter what, like it's inside the zone or it's out of the zone, yeah, no matter.
Mhm.
But if it's engulfing on M30, it's still our trade control, but we need to know where the price is going, from where to where.
Okay. I have one more doubt.
All right.
Can I annotate?
Yeah.
So this one, sorry, this is a 4 hour zone. Okay, this one is 4 hour zone, and then we come like I created 30 minutes trade control here. Then the price goes up. It creates a 30-minute trade control here. It goes up. It is so all these 3 trade controls are valid, correct?
Yeah, it's valid.
Yeah, I'll wait for
the name of it,
confirmation entry.
yeah, re-entry. That's what we call re-entry, and then we need to re-enter with the confirmation entry.
Okay.
All right. So is there any
Yeah.
question?
Yeah, can you show me a few entries on 15-minute time frame?
Sure.
Anything that you have?
Sure. Let's go on gold.
Yeah, gold. And by the way, which broker do you use?
I'm using just Market and Vestrado.
Okay. I mean, no. On TradingView chart, do you use Oanda or?
Sometimes I use Oanda and sometimes I use Saxo.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's see. DM15 confirmation entry, right?
Yeah, correct.
Let's look at this buy zone. Okay, wait, let's go on currency. What currency do you want?
Anything like whichever.
UVPUD.
Like not necessarily year. You can go back to previous month or anything, and you can show me. I just want like about 4-5 examples to see how to.
Let's take a look here. This engulfing buy. Okay, this engulfing buy. Okay, let's do from direction. All right. Let's go from direction. Yeah. So at first, this is an engulfing buy on weekly.
Weekly, yes.
And then we go to daily to find any buy zone. Okay, if you look here, there is an EF plus an EG. So it means that the price is going to go up. All right.
Yeah, very strong confirmation.
All right. And then inside of this zone, okay, any buy zone is perfect because the direction is going to buy. Okay. Okay, let's find this buy zone. Okay, let's go this buy zone. Okay, let's go. So this H4 buy, we need to look at the M30 first, right? Look at the M30 first.
Okay.
And then
1 second. Go back to M4 once. Sorry, H4.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Like there was some.
Sorry?
Okay, I think you saw it. Can you go? Sorry. I mean, okay, this is H4 zone. 30 minutes.
Yeah. So we go to 30 minutes. First get into the zone, and then like always, look for our first entry.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, our first entry.
Yes.
And then this first entry created this one, easy buy. But we didn't get the buy because the price not pulled back on this trade control, right?
Mhm.
So we go for M15. Okay, we go for M15. Okay, as you can see right here, the price was already created this buy zone at first,
Mhm.
but it's broken, right? It's broken.
Yeah.
Why? Because it's currency. Okay, and plus it's 5 a.m. in the morning. It's 5 in the
Okay.
morning.
Okay.
There is no volume at all in it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
okay, let me show you this one. Okay, it's broken. The first confirmation entry that broken, and then it create another one, which is this engulfing buy on M15. We enter the buy, but
Mhm.
why the price is not going right away from this one? Because it's in the morning and there is no volume
Yeah.
in it. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay. So that's why I say like we need to wait for a good time and a good session to trade, and the price started to go down to go up after 9. Okay,
Mhm.
it
Mhm.
creates another engulfing buy, creates another engulfing buy, and then the price went up.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so just like maybe if you are trading gold, you need to focus on US session, and this is the re-entry
Yeah.
by the
I
way.
only trade gold. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the re-entry by the way. So the price get
Okay.
into the zone. Is there any confirmation entry? Price get into the zone. If you wanna enter on M15, yeah, just go. You will get your buy around here. But if you
Oh,
enter on M5, you will get your buy a little bit early, I think. Oh, on M1, you will get you will get it a little bit early. Okay, on M5, this is an M5PF.
yeah. I understand.
But if you want to enter here, maybe M1, you'll get the EF.
This one is like zero float.
This
Because it
one,
touches.
this
Yeah.
one.
The
Yes,
yeah.
sharply because it's M5EF.
Uh-huh.
And if you enter the zone, okay, if you enter the buy zone of M15 right here, it just floats for about 4 pips and then fly out for about 100 pips. Okay, the zone is 11 pips. Okay,
Mhm.
the zone of M15 is just 11 pips, and then the price went up for about 100 pips.
Wow.
So yeah, so that's why I say yeah, um, just follow the direction. It's not about following the direction. Sometimes it's about we need to know where the price is going. Okay, we need to know
Mhm.
where the price is
Yeah. Yeah.
going. So why the price here is sidewaying because the H4 zone is really close to each other. As you can see, this H4 cell with this
Oh, yeah.
H4.
This is the zone I was asking. Yeah. Correct. So,
Yeah. So you look at the price, get into the sell zone, buy zone, sell zone, buy zone, sell zone,
yeah.
buy
In
zone
this
again.
type of price action, we stay out, is it? We wait for zone to break or something?
No, no, no,
Because
no. Just take the trades. Okay, at first just take the trades. But if you wanna less floating, just wait for the H4 to be quite far to each other.
yeah, so because here there is this one which comes here, then again I take here there will be confirmation here, then I
Mm-hmm.
come here there will be confirmation here, and this one will become failed, and there will be confirmation here.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
All this, yeah, buys again here there will be confirmation, and I think there will be confirmation here on everything.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Uh,
But yeah, like I say, just need to focus on H4, M30, and confirmation entry because that thing will bring you as far as you can. So yeah,
yeah, this
maybe
direct
yeah,
will really help.
maybe um direction is not that important.
Mhm.
What the skill that you need to master is using the H4 and 30 and confirmation entry. That's all. That's all. That's all.
Mhm.
Because we are just
Okay.
looking for 60 pips every trade that we put in.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yes.
We don't want to be like someone that screenshot the chart like full with N3, okay,
Uh-huh.
to post it on
Yeah.
Instagram. No, what?
Yeah. We only need
Yeah.
2 entries, 60 pips, and we should
60
be done.
pips and done. Okay. Don't
Yeah.
compare us, don't compare ourselves to other traders. Because maybe,
Correct.
maybe the one that use 60 and 60 pips of TP is more better and more richer than them. Like the one that hold the trade for 11 months, for a year, for 2 years.
Yeah. I see
Yeah.
your trade plan like very regularly. Like it only
Sorry?
needs like 40 minutes. Like I see your trade plan that
Yeah,
you
yeah.
sent to me on that day. Like
Mm-hmm.
it only needs like about 14 good trades for me to be like reach like 100K or something.
Yeah.
That too, like it is not taking like a 500 pips from entry and everything. It is only like taking 16 pips, and if I take 14 good trades, I'll be like 100K from my $10. So
Yeah.
it is about I take good quality setups and I understand the market regularly.
Yes, exactly. So what you need to do is
Yeah.
just what you need to do is just focus on your plan. Just don't get distracted by the other trader, maybe.
Yes. Yeah. I
Yeah,
stopped watching Instagram as well.
yeah. It's just us doing 60
Yeah.
pips every single day with
Yes.
maybe with 10 take profits. Yeah, we're good in
Mm.
trading. That's all.
Yeah.
That's all we need. That's all we need. We need to be disciplined and we need to be get less distracted from the other traders, I think. So yeah,
Yeah.
I'm just doing my 60 pips for about how many months, and it's giving me I'm doing it in with no pressure. So yeah, I'm good.
Mhm.
I'm good. Sure, I'm good with it.
Yeah. On gold, I think 60 minutes, 60 pips will happen like in 5-10 minutes sometimes.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
On
But we
crypto,
need,
1 minute.
what do we need to do is we just need to wait for it.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
gold sell on the last Wednesday, some took, I think it got 60 pips in like 1 minute, 2 minutes, and everyone was posting screenshot on group.
Yeah. Everyone is, yeah, because yeah, we get the same entry. If I buy and they are all of them gonna buy. If I sell, all of them is going to sell because it's just same knowledge that I'm using with.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah,
Yes.
yeah. I think yeah. Is there any question?
For now, no. Now I got better clarity on how to use 4 time zones, trade control, and direction as well. I
Yeah,
think I'll go back and back test today and tomorrow.
yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe yep. I think you're good for the next week, I think. But
Mhm.
like I say, yep, just focus on doing your trading plan.
Mhm.
That's all. Maybe it's because yeah, it's like your first million, right? Your first million it will be like kind of slow. Okay.
Yeah. Toughest.
Like everyone say, like our first million is the first million is very, very hard. When you get
Mhm.
out your first million, yeah, it's gonna be like quite easier than before because you already know the plan. You already know what you are going to focus on.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay. Yeah, wait. Let me show you this one. Show you this one. Looking at this trading plan. Okay, looking at this
Mhm.
trading plan. Okay, this is what I'm doing. Okay,
Mhm.
over and over again. At first, I complete the trading plan until here, and
Mhm.
then I just withdraw for about 150,000, and then I
Mhm.
just start here and hit 2 TP every week. Hit 2 TP every week. Hit 2 TP every week. 2 TP, 2 TP, 2 TP. Yep.
Ah.
Right. It's possible. It's
Yeah.
possible. Yeah, it's possible. So I think yeah, you need to hit your first like from here to here first with 8 TPs. Just like
Yeah.
8 TPs will take for about uh
Correct.
a week, I think. Which is every single day you can just reach 2 times of your account, two
Mhm.
times during you just during your session because there are a lot of volumes there.
Mhm.
So, yep, you're good. I think with like yeah, the first day will be kind of slow because you will see, oh my god, I'm at the first level at $10. I'm at the fourth level, which is $94. When it comes here, you will be like, okay, it's getting easier, it's getting easier, it's getting easier.
Mhm.
Because yeah, all of you need to do is just you need to
Mhm.
ignore the numbers, and just look at this.
Lot size and TPs. Lot
Yeah,
size and
just
TP.
yeah, lot scientific, lot scientific, and don't
Mhm.
ever risk your capital on the trade that you don't even understand, on the trade that you
Ah.
don't even know that, oh, is it going for buy, is it going for sell? If
Mhm.
you are confusing on your trade, just take off from it. Okay,
Mhm.
just don't, yeah, just delete the MT4.
Okay.
Yeah. Just turn off the MT4, and then yeah, just have a good time with your
Mhm.
own self.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah.
So yeah, doing trading plan sometimes it's kind of hard. Yeah,
Mhm.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. It's so hard
Mhm.
because we always look at the balance. We always look at the balance, look at the
Yeah.
equity, look at the balance. If you have your okay, if you already have your $200,000, for what you're going to look at the balance? Okay, you will say like, okay, I already have my 200,000, so there is no emotion in the trade.
Mhm.
So when you just yeah, just go for it over and over and over again, no matter what. Okay,
Yeah.
so I think
Yes.
yep, I think yeah, if there is no question to ask overall, yeah, just hit me up on the Telegram chat if you
Mhm.
have any question from
Sure,
your
sure. Yeah.
backtest or what. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think yep, that's all from today.
Where
So
did you learn from actually?
sorry,
Where did you learn from? Who was your master?
where did I learn from?
Yeah.
It's actually I have a lot of gurus, okay,
Okay.
but I just found this
We find.
technical
Uh,
analysis myself because yeah, it's been like 2 years or three
yeah.
years. I'm looking at the chart like every single day. A minimum, okay, the minimum is 18 hours every single
Wow.
day. Yeah, I say it. Yeah, people say, people say yeah, I'm not having a good life before. Telling you the truth, I'm not having a good life before. Yeah,
Mhm.
but yeah, this that thing brought me here, so I'm grateful for it.
Yeah, I think like it comes down to individual like how you can do it because like I'm pretty sure like no like even you had masters but your way of learn setting out trading plan was different and I
Yeah,
think it is a lot easier. You have simplified it so that it can help everyone because like everyone will tell okay look at weekly, monthly, daily, do that, but you're telling me simply like look at 4 hours, target 60 bits and you'll be sorted for like
yeah,
I think like,
yeah,
which sounds more realistic to me, actually.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So I think, yep. I think yeah, just focus on the trading plan, just focus on your own, which is it just you versus you, that's all. Okay?
Mhm.
And
Yeah.
trading nothing more instead of you versus you, me versus me. Stop
Mhm.
comparing yourself to other.
Yeah.
I think you're good with it. Just go for it. Yeah. Just complete complete table, complete trading plan.
Yeah. Sure. Definitely. The day I 10 TPs, I'll be like really proud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think yeah, that's all. But before that,
Mhm.
can you tell me like your feedback from
Mhm.
my class?
Actually, like your class like is really, I mean, really, really awesome, I should say, because you are not complicating the trading, like because the trading is already very complicated to understand everything,
Mm-hmm.
what is happening inside candlestick and all those things.
Yeah.
But with your trading plan, you are just giving me like a blue book, like only follow these three things, simple, check mark one, check mark two, check mark three, and you are good to trade. I think this is like fantastic one. I'm glad I chose you as my mentor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think yeah, I wish you the best in trading. So
Mhm.
like remember my advice to you, like complete your trading plan, just focus on it, just go for it.
Mhm.
And yep, you're good with it. So I think if there is no question to ask, yeah, I think I'm going to end the class here. I'm going to end the meeting here. So if there is anything to ask, just hit me on the Telegram
Sure.
anytime you like.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think yep. I'm gonna
Yeah,
send the
and will there
recording
be
to
any
you.
more session?
Sorry?
There won't be any more session, correct?
Yeah, there will be any more session, but maybe if you want a refreshment, like
Mhm.
your personal refreshment, yeah, I can do it for you. No worries.
Yeah, sure. Like a couple of like if you can do like a refreshment like for 1 week or 2 week, like going over the trades for that week, I think that would really help me.
All right, all
If
right.
it's
No
possible
worries.
for you.
No worries, dude. No worries, dude.
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay. It's
Ah,
okay. Okay. So yeah,
mhm.
just hit me up on the Telegram if you have any question. I
Yes.
think yep, that's all for today. Thank you for trusting me
Mhm.
to teach you on how to trade.
Mhm.
And I wish you the best in trading. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, actually, thank you very much because like you gave me discount to learn, and I think you have given everything that one person needs to be successful.
Yeah.
Yeah, because like everyone charges like FT amount, but I was quite short, and you bought your price down just for me to have the trade teaching and knowledge. Like I really appreciate it, and I'm forever thankful for you. For you.
Yeah. Yeah, no worries, man. No worries, man. It's
Yeah.
okay. Okay. So yep, that's all for today. And I wish you the best in trading. So I'm gonna send you the recording later.
Mhm.
So yep.